Hi, my name is Avi Green and I'm with Nesta and Spencer Institute. Today, I would like to show you how you can help your clients to add more healthy leafy greens into their diet. Now, one obvious way is to throw it into a protein shake. And doing that will add nutrients but won't change the flavor. So that's a great way to do it. Another way is to add it with your eggs. So what I'm going to do now is demonstrate how to so easily add some leafy greens to your diet or your breakfast. Here I have some farmer's market eggs. They're beautiful, and you'll see when I crack this egg into the pan, the yolk is bright orange. It's delicious and so nutritious. So if you have the option, you want to get your eggs fresh from a farmer. I'm going to be using ghee, which is a type of clarified butter used in Ayurvedic healing practices for centuries. And this is also a healthy ingredient. It's a high smoke point cooking oil, but it also has these short chain fatty acids, which are very healthy for you. I'm going to add some ghee into the pan. It's nice and hot. Then I'm going to take my egg, which I've already cracked. I don't know if you can see that bright, beautiful yellow. I'm going to pour it right directly into the pan. Okay? As soon as it gets in the pan, you can see that beautiful orangish yolk. I'm going to add some seasoning, high quality seasoning. Watch how easy this is. For what I like to do, I like to break my yolk. Okay, and now I'm going to just add these hearty greens, it's organic baby kale, directly on top. Okay, so now I'm going to flip the egg over, and because of the heat on the pan, it's just going to cook these greens gently, and we end up with a beautiful fried egg with organic baby greens. We'll give it a few seconds on the heat. This is a perfect breakfast. What I would do to this to make it even more perfect and flavorful is add some avocado. Healthy fats, perfect protein, and leafy greens. That's it. That's it. Doesn't get much better. For more information on this topic, educational programs, certifications, and career training for coaches and trainers, visit nestacertified.com and spencerinstitute.com.